Award-winning, the Emerson Side Table Kids Nightstand by Delta Children is the winner of Best Nursery Side Table and Nightstand from Romper. Two storage drawers allow you to keep bedside necessities close by strong and sturdy wood construction. Coordinates perfectly with other pieces in the Emerson Collection by Delta Children. Assembled dimensions, 23.25 width by 18.75 depth by 23 height. Easy assembly drawers feature metal drawer guides with safety stops for years of worry-free use. Adult assembly required. Tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed ASTM safety standards. Includes tipover restraint. Top reviews from the United States. Well-built children's furniture. I ordered this as a Christmas gift for my granddaughter. Boy, was I surprised. This item is well made, instructions were easy to follow, and is a solid piece of furniture. Would look at other items made by this manufacturer.